Hello, this is James, Roney Stators. This is the parts list to the new and improved Newman motor generator here. And I wanted just to show you the first phase of parts. What we have here is that we have a 1 inch across by 2 inches in length by 1/2 inch deep neodymium magnet. This is an N52. N52 is as powerful of a magnet as they come, at least for the public. Here we have a bushing. It's for 1/2 inch internal rod. We have here is 1 inch washers, and you'll see how these washers work in a little bit. And since these 1 inch, the holes inside of the 1 inch washers are 1/4 of an inch in size, they're just a little bit too large. So I've got yet another small washer where we can get the hole a little smaller, because what we have here, we have a 1 inch screw, a 1/16 inch machine screw, and we're going to use this to fat bolt this together. There's 2 of these, so you need 4 1 inch flat washers, 4 smaller 1 inch flat washers, 2 1/16 inch screws. These are lock nuts here. These little guys here are lock washing nuts. And of course then we have one more of these magnets here. And then we've got 4 spools of magnet wire. This is MW20 and -1. This is MW-24-1/4. And of course the same wire again, and then of course we're back up to the larger diameter, 20 gauge wire here as well. This is 315 feet on this spool. This is 198 feet on this spool. What makes this nice to have different spools of wire here paired off is that we know that both of these spools of wire are really close to being exactly the same length. Then these 2 larger spools here at 315 feet, we know they're the same length as well. So it keeps things easy to make. Over here, as you'll see, I've cut out some plastic forms here. It's going to hold these magnets in place. You'll see how that works in a moment. And there's 2 of them here, for a top and a bottom. And then we have 1/2 inch rod, which is what you want to be using. I've cut this to, I think, 18 inches in length. You don't have to cut it that long, but the reason I cut it that long is I plan on fastening stuff to the end of this rod. So it's going to serve as an axle and as well as a drive shaft. So it's going to serve dual purpose. So basically that's our beginning parts. The only thing I didn't show you is that I have these large sheets of Lexan. I think these are 8 inches by 10 inches in size. You can get them at places like Home Depot, Lowe's, or depending on where you're at in the world. It's 1/16 of an inch thick, and it's supposedly 250 times stronger than glass. This stuff is hard to cut. Even with a hacksaw, it's hard to cut. So be prepared, to really, take some time to put all of this together. Okay, that's our parts list. You're also going to want a Phillips head screwdriver. You're also going to want some pliers here, and that should get you started. Okay, well, let's put this together now.